Are you ready to find out what's in this month's Craft Gin Club Gin of the Month box? Well, I'm about to tell you. This month's box has been curated around our spectacular Gin of the Month that hails from right here in the UK. Our June Gin of the Month is Dartmouth Gin. Botanicals include juniper, coriander, licorice, cardamom, lavender, rose petals, grains of paradise, rosemary, and more. Our Dartmouth Gin of the Month pairs beautifully with our Knickerbocker Glory cocktail syrup to make our cocktail of the month. Also part of our cocktail of the month, we have Sodafolk's Cherry Soda. This month's box also comes with 2 elixir tonics. I received elderflower and lemon, along with blood orange and cinnamon. Alongside the elixir tonics for our perfect G&T, we've included lime and cardamom as garnish. Club members also received Padrino's Vermouth and Tonic, which is delicious on its own or as part of a G&T. We're not about to let you go hungry, so we've included Darling Spuds, Somerset, Cheddar, and Onion Crisps. This month's sweet treat is Gourmet Popcorn by Joe and Seth's that's made with gin. This is a good one to hide before anyone else in your household gets to it. Last, but certainly not least, we have our Gin Club magazine. It is beautifully written, filled with all sorts of recipes and cocktails, interviews with the distiller. We get our Ginoscope, which is always worth reading. It even includes a crossword puzzle. We hope you're just as excited as we are about this month's Gin of the Month box that celebrates the British seaside.